teacher. Today we're gonna make a conversation with two of my friends. They are Maria and Chabeli. Say hello to the teacher. Teacher, we are gonna power off our camera because we're having problems with the internet. Sorry for that. So we're gonna begin. Okay, start, Chabeli.
Hello, my name is Tabele. What's your name?
My name is Maria Christine.
Hello, my name is Anna. Where are you from?
I am from an island called Dominican Republic.
Oh, great! I heard about it. I'm from Canada, but I currently live in Manhattan.
Since I was born, I have lived in France.
That's nice. And how old are you?
I am 21 years old. And yours?
I am 19 years old.
How good!
It's a pleasure to meet you.
The pleasure is mine.
Doesn't likewise. I do study at the university.
Yes, I study. I degree in biology as a teacher.
Oh, great! Me too.
Me too. Apparently, we have a lot in common.
Yeah,
They are my friend.
they also study with you?
Yeah, we became friends in college.
Since we are getting to know each other, I would like to show my family. She is my mother, my father, and my younger brother.
Your family is very cute.
Thanks.
I have a dog and she is part of my family. Its name is Sasha. I am happy today to meet you. My favorite color is black. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Mine is black. And do you study English? We speak it very fluently.
Yes, my English teacher is Melissa.
Yes, in the college I am learning how to speak it.
Ah, great. I usually use a backpack like that to carry my notebooks. I usually have it next to my desk.
I also use a trash hang under my desk.
My case, I always have my computer on my desk.
Cool.
I have a pencil always with me. This is an orange pencil.
I carry two pencils and a notebook.
I use the notes on my phone.
What is this?
Yes, what is?
It's my lucky charm.
Yes, and attracts attention.
Thanks.
Let's go there to look at the fish tank.
Let's go.
What are those green ones?
They are the plants that fish on. That fish feed on.
Now I can in the fountain.
Where is the park? I would like to buy an ice cream.
It is on the corner near the school in front of the shop.
Okay.
The gentleman of the ice cream parlor is very friendly.
Yes, he gave me a double chocolate chip bar. I thought he was serious because of his face, but he was friendly.
Same with me, but I found him very funny and friendly and hers also very tall.
How beautiful is the sound? Who sings?
Camilo Sainz, and it's called Vida de Ricos.
He is also my favorite singer. All his songs are very good.
I do not recognize.
In Colombia, he has an unusual mustache with raw attention.
And he's married to Eva Luna. Look, he's Camilo and she's Eva Luna.
Ah, I have seen pictures of them, but I will not have heard their music.
Okay,
What's your favorite season of the years?
My favorite season of the year is autumn because you can see the northern lights, and this season the leaves of the tree fall, and because they turn from yellow to brown and osher. And yours?
my favorite season is summer because I like to go to the beach and I on vacation.
My favorite season is winter because it is cold and I like the cold.
It's very interesting.
This is your mother?
Yes, this mother is yours.
She is buying something to make dinner.
That's your blonde hair?
Yes, it's her hair. I will, Maria. I will.
My wait,
I will. I will.
moment.
Okay, no problem.
Repeat, Anna.
I will walk.
Oh, okay. I will go to my friend's house and see about
Invited.
me to her birthday. It was a pleasure. Yes.
Oh, thanks. Anyway, I'll wait for my mother here while she finishes shopping. Chabeli.
Can you repeat? I don't listen to you.
Yes. Thanks. Anyway, I will wait for my mother here while she finishes shopping.
Good try.
Thanks.
I'm sorry to leave you alone, but it's late and there must be wait for me at home.
I like talking to you, but could you give me your number to keep in touch?
Yes, of course. It's 849 270 4876.
Thank you. We continue to chat. See you guys.
See you.
Bye bye, Maria.
Bye.